just know what to do. If you practice, you'll be able to do that yourself.
And also the way you sit in the saddle,
Try
the
this.
way you lean your weight in the saddle, hits the core.
What about the other side?
Yeah, go towards your mouth. Remember to gather up your reins and then lean back and say whoa.
Whoa!
Good.
Why aren't any of the chicks eating out of your hand yet? They're not very hungry, are they, Finn? One of them was brave enough, though. Maybe if you hold really still. Oh, they all got afraid and ran away.
That could send a truck. Told you she could go fast. Is Sasha coming with us?
She will, yes.
Sasha! Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. I saw Sasha jumping like a deer to the bottom. In fact, she didn't go in. Did she go like this? Did she go like? You said one last time to ride him, and I said I'm gonna ride tomorrow. Yesterday, and now and today I need to ride Beauty.
Okay, now slow down to a walk.
Whoa.
Not yet. Now.